Let me start recording. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This is Chit-Guiding series part 04, and today's topic will be of ideal chit schemes. Ideal chit schemes of 10 month, 20 month, 40 month, 50 month schemes of rupees 1 lakh to 5 lakh chit amount. Also 25 months. I am B.N. Venkatraman, the inventor of Inflate Pro, the calculation on inefficient protected return on investment. And in the previous video, we discussed that the investment in registered chit funds are quite safe and introduced the raffle chit, lottery chit for 1 lakh chit value for 10 months and 20 months. The built-in function of IRR in Google Sheet was also explained to arrive at the internal rate of return or return on investment in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we also discussed the advantage and disadvantage of chit schemes, both registered and unregistered. We also saw about a comment received from a batchmate of 1971. Now we are 74 years of age. We had also seen that in registered chits, the maximum interest earned by last month bidder in 50 month scheme, the return was only 4.8% or less than 5%. In this session, I am going to give a web demo of ideal scheme of earning around 10% annualized for the last month chit amount receiver. We are seeing nowadays a fixed dividend in various months in raffle scheme. The dividend for various months are predefined, and raffle or lottery chit scheme is made. Okay. Let us continue to go to the web page. The link is given in the description box. Let me go to web page. It is bnvenkat.com /chit/10mo.html. It's also available in my history. I'm clicking. Yes. Now we have got our page. This is sample chit for 10 month 1 lakh rupees scheme, and it is available here. Sample case 10 months. You can switch it to 20 months so that you see 20 month scheme. This is a sample case. This is not an ideal case. That's a sample case. Similarly, 50 month sample case is from the registered chit fund. $50 scheme also here. Here we are seeing that let me explain about the columns. Month is given here, and star in the month indicates that it is the foreman or company chit. Proceeds will be given to the company in the first month or the second month. In this case, it is the first month. This is a sample registered chit case. See, it is 5 lakh rupees chit for 50 months. Therefore, the subscription amount is of 10,000 rupees, out of which monthly dividends are available. The maximum dividend is given as 35% or 3,500 rupees for a 10,000 rupees scheme or 5 lakh rupees scheme over 40 months, that is 10 lakh rupees subscription, maximum subscription is of 10,000 rupees, and out of that maximum dividend is 3,500 rupees in any month, and this was worked out. This is as per the same registered chit fund. Dates are different, but it's different. Now we will go to the ideal schemes. Ideal schemes, we have got 10 month. See, 10 month ideal case at return of interest 10% calculation. Number of chit, name of chit is 10 month 1 lakh rupees, 10% 10 months. The commission or document charges is 5%. Is all listed over here. Month, total dividend 2,135 to 10 becomes 21,330 in the first month. The subscription amount is 10,000 less this 2,135 becomes 7,865, and price money is 7,865 multiplied by 10 becomes 78,650. And net price amount in any month, so let us say for the person taking the first month bidder gets 72,750 rupees after allowing for 18% GST on this 5,000 rupees. 78,650 minus 5,000 minus 450 minus the GST amount. 18% of 5,000 is 900 rupees. That works out to 72,750. Like this, and the lending rate of interest becomes 82.61% for this first month bidder. Okay. Last month bidder gets 10.01% recurrent deposit interest. Similarly, the 10 month, 20 months, 1 lakh rupees scheme. In this scheme also, we are coming across the recurrent deposit for the last month bidder is 10%. This is what it is calculated. The commission, the dividend is 26.3% or 1,350 it becomes, and after allowing the dividend, this is the subscription amount. Subscription amount is in column. Total maximum subscription is 5,000 rupees. After dividend, it goes to, for the first month it is 3,685, and for 20 months this subscription multiplied by the number of members is equal to the price money 73,700, and out of that price money, net price money is only 67,800 rupees. 73,900 minus 5,000 minus 900 GST becomes 67,800, and it is out done. So similarly, 25 month 10% scheme, ideal scheme for at return of interest 10% calculated. Last month interest is 10%. It is a 25 month scheme, and the amount is value of it 2.5 lakh rupees, 10,000 rupees per month maximum subscription, and so on. One can take the screenshot if they want. Full is available. I am leaving it for 15 seconds. One can take a screenshot. It is for 25 month scheme, 2.5 lakh. This is the ideal one. Second, 40 month scheme for 4 lakh rupees. 40-month scheme for 4 lakh rupees, ideal one at 10% return. Return is 10% per year annualized. So, total money, profit money is 51,975 last month, and it is 10% of the 10% annualized scheme. It can be seen from here also, in this also of 40th month, price money, and so details are available here. Let us take for 50-month scheme. 50-month scheme. Yes, ideal case for 50 months, rate of interest. Return of interest is return on investment is 10% calculated. 50 months, 5 lakh rupees, 50%, 50 months scheme. It is commission or document charge is 5% of 5 lakh becomes 25,000 rupees, and so on. I am leaving for 15 seconds so that one if you can take screenshot. Actually, there is no need for screenshot. You can straight away come to my web page given in the link, and my website is login free. Second part of latter part of it is here. I am leaving it for 15 seconds for screenshot purposes. Then okay, like this, sample case available for 10 months, 20 months and 50 months, which were discussed in the previous sessions, and ideal months 50 or what, that is 10 months, 20 months 2 lakh chit value, 25 months 2.5 lakh, 40 months 4 lakhs, and 50 months 5 lakh. One can have a custom menu also. Let us say for the same 50 months we can have a custom, same on we can have custom of, let us say 12.5, so that the last month interest will get 12.5. Wait for calculation, it is coming here. 50 months 5 lakh rupees. Now we are custom menu of rate of return of interest in return of investment at 12.5%. Calculation here. Say I am leaving this for screenshot purposes for 15 seconds. Here the interests are all calculated. Initially we will have lending rate of interest, and later on we will have the profit or RD interest. Interestingly, we can see from 40 month onwards, the RD interest is quite significant. It is better than normal banking recurring deposit schemes. Now, this is the procedure. Say for sample which are discussed in previous chapters, we can click this 10 month, 20 month, 50 months, or if it is the ideal month, you want to see the ideal case, click 10 month, 20 month, 20 month, 2 lakh, 25 month, 40 months, 50 months, and then if you want to change the custom menu, first you click according to your choice, whichever month you want that in the ideal case, and then change the this custom menu. So let us say 10. 10 will be the same as ideal one, because it is ideal one. Ideal one 10%. 10% means it's an ideal one. 10%. We get last month bidder gets a return of 10%. Okay. In this program, there is details also for the various months. This also we discussed in previous session. Anyhow, this is we'll see more about this or any more extension of this in the next session. Thanking you. Once again, let me close. Thanks for watching. Let me close this menu.